Hi guys, Walsted here from the Danish eSafe forum, back with a new review. This time it's a DIY kit from Hangsen, and it's a RY4 flavor that's inside. But let's see what's in the box. When you open up the box, inside you'll find your flavor. And this is RY4, and as what I've seen on other reviews, these flavors are extremely strong. So be careful, don't make it too powerful. Then we got 0 milligram VG, and we got a 36 milligram PG. And then we got 2 extremely small dropper bottles. And inside you also get this small guide, which is quite confusing because I can't see anywhere it says flavor, but looking further on this instructions, it should be what they call base liquid. And then you got your 36 milligram and then your 0 milligram. So it would be nice if the instructions was saying flavor instead of base liquid. To me, base, that's the PG and VG. So quite confusing. But normally I vape 6 milligram, and in this case the lowest one I can make is 9. So I'm gonna make 9. So I need 6 drops of this RY4. So let's give it 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 drops. And according to this, I need 5 drops of the nicotine juice. And 9 drops of the VG. And that's it. Of course, that's a tiny amount. Of course, you're gonna have to multiply that depending on how many milliliter you need to make, but then it's just to shake it up. And I can't even put this in a cartomizer, so I'm just gonna cut the video here and make this a little more suitable for putting in a cartomizer. I've been putting in some more juice, and now we got what would be what we got here, 2 milliliters or something, maybe 1.5. And it's pretty easy. The instructions are not that good. They could be a lot easier to read. And again, the drops measuring is not that accurate. But let's try it out. Well, I've made the juice, and I'm just filling my cartomizer here. But let's see. And then we need a drip tip. Normally I would, when I make an e-liquid like this, I would put it in the fridge for at least 12 hours to to let it settle. But I can already smell it. I hope I haven't made it too strong, but let's try it out. Well, the flavor is actually pretty good. It's been a while since I've been vaping RY4, but I can tell that it would be a whole lot better if I was putting this in the fridge and trying it out tomorrow or something. But let's try it again. It's actually spot on with the drops. I was not sure because normally the measuring with drops is a really inaccurate way to make your juice, but in this case it's not bad. Of course you can't sit and drop in like a 30 ml bottle if you want to make bigger quantities, so I would definitely recommend using a syringe needle and then measuring it by the milliliters. But I would definitely recommend to Hangsen to change this instructions. Instead of saying base liquid, it should say flavor or concentrate or something like that. It'll also say here it's a standard rule that 20 drops is 1 milliliters, and I know for a fact that it's not. It depends on which bottle you're dripping from. So I would definitely go for using a syringe and using one of the calculators on the websites. There's loads of different calculators. It's just googling it. But I'm really enjoying this flavor. It's a very nice flavor, no doubt about it. The flavor is not like other RY4s. It's not too sweet. I really don't like when they get too heavy and too sweet. But it's actually spot on with that small instruction. So I made it 9 milligram, and I made 3 times the amount that they write on here. So I got this and what's in the Castmizer. The one downside about this kit is it's not something that normal consumers can go in and buy. It's for vendors only. But if I were a vendor, I would definitely thinking about getting this on the shop, because a lot of people are getting tired of buying e-liquids and the flavors are constantly changing. This way you got full control over how much flavor do you want, how much nicotine, and it's a perfect kit for new vapors who are just not new vapors, but vapors who are just about thinking to make their own e-liquid. So instead of buying nicotine from one place, flavors from another place, you got it all in one kit. Not bad. I don't know how many different flavors these kits come with, but the RY4, top notch. Very nice. And I can say that because I haven't vaped an RY4 in over a year now, and this is really good. Very nice. Of course, it's VT, you get plenty of vapor. It gives a decent throat head. 9 milligram is what I made. So that's it. A DIY kit from Hangsen. Definitely something I would recommend vendors to get on the shop. But see you next time. Bye bye.